Okay guys, so today we're going to address the tail lights and license plate lights on the 2020 Silverado. As you can tell, they put these, they might be LED, but they look like halogens. It actually drives me nuts because on the rest of the truck they did LEDs all the way around, inside and out. For some reason on the back here they did these soft white lights and you can barely even see them on the license plate lights. For some reason it drives me nuts. So today we're going to change these out for LEDs. I'm going to zoom in here on the part numbers and the tools we'll need to take these apart. So let's just dive right into this. I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, so to start this thing off, here, let's go over the parts. These are the license plate lights. They are 194s. I did the 6000 K xenon white, so that's kind of like what the brake light is right now and what these bed lights are, 6000 K. Here's the brand I bought. You can look these up. I got them on Amazon. I'll link it in the description. For the reverse lights, they're the same as all the previous models. They are the 921s. I got the same color to match, so make sure you do that. I'll put a link to the description of these as well. I don't know if I'm going to switch because I kind of like the LEDs with the fans on the back. So I may switch these up, but I'll let you guys know. You're going to need a Torx bit, T15, to take these two screws off here. And obviously there's just two for each one. So let's pop these off right now. I'm sure there's going to be something like a plunger that I'm going to have to pull back, a keeper. But let's take these off. Okay, so to take these off, you just pull straight back. It's gonna kind of make like a weird noise at first because these clips are not like traditional plastic clips. So when you pop these off, take a look over here. Here, come on this side. You can see it's like a it's like an almost actual screw, and these ribs go into this rubber grommet, so that's the noise. It's just coming off. So it's actually a little bit better designed because it's not all plastic where it's going to break off, and they sit a little bit tighter. Now that I got these off, looks like my reverse lights right here. It's going to be a simple twist, I hope. There we go. And it is in fact a halogen. I mean, who would have thought, right? So we're going to take this sucker out and replace it. Boom. Probably going to blind you here in a second. Woo! Way brighter. Way brighter. That is awesome. So yeah, this didn't take more than 2 minutes, 3 minutes to put this one in. So key is hopefully this thing fits back in here, which it does. Boom. Get that dialed in. All right, once you get these two lined up, just slowly slide it in. Boom. Right back to where we should be. Pop these back in. Perfect. Now we can step back. Boom. Huge difference in the lights. I don't know if I can get in the spot where you can see both. Here's the halogen. There's the LED. And it actually matches the rear brake lights. So like I said, I have no idea why they put LEDs all the way around this truck and just decided not to with these lights. And I'm going to be honest, it's really hard to see at night, even with the reverse camera, because these lights are horrible. So I'm going to finish up this side, and then we're going to take a look at the license plate lights and get that one next.
so far.
And make sure after you put these in, I don't remember off the top of my head if these are directional lights or not, but before you get everything buttoned in, boom, that's done. Make sure you test this light and make sure that it's in the right direction. I don't want to scratch the paint, so I'm gonna there. Perfect. Now these actually match the top light, which is awesome. Third brake light. So I'm just gonna button this one back up and then we'll take a look at the license plate lights. Okay, so now that we got both these lights on, that's good. We can start the license plates lights now. So, and I just learned that this thing had a freaking light here. Look at that. I'm blind, I can't see you right now because the lights are so bright. So, Dad, doing a little how-to video. Put these new lights in. Reverse lights.
New lights.
Say hi to the camera, you're on video. Hi, YouTube.
Okay. I'll get out of the video.
Okay, so now we're going to replace this light here. Turn it back on, for example, real quick. To be honest, these don't even really work at night. I mean, barely. So you can actually reach underneath the bumper here, which I'm about to do, to get here. Let me see if I can get a flashlight real quick. Oh. Okay, so you can either come above, which is probably the easiest, so coming above the tow package right here, and this wiring harness right here is for both the lights and the sensor, and you can see the light is this gray one right here. So I'm just going to twist and pull that one out, I think, and then we'll see what happens. So let me see if I can get this light in here. Sweet. So just twisted that off and I got the light right here. So I'm just gonna replace this. Alright, I got some 194s here. So I think they're the same light. Yeah, they are. Okay. So I'm gonna just install these real quick. While I have this one off, I'm just gonna reach under here and pop this second one off. Whew. Okay, so I got both these off, and I'm just gonna plug these in. Pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna dig you guys underneath here and show you guys how to do this again. But give me about 1 minute here. I'm gonna pop these both in, and then we'll take a look. I'm gonna be honest, I can't see anything with our light. Oh, there we go. Got one in. Oh shit! Yeah, that's bright. Make sure you test these before you do what I'm doing, because I can't remember if these are directional or not. So if they are, it would be a pain in the ass to get both these in and then have to redo them. So oh yeah, already looks better. It's already brighter with one than it was with two on the last time. All right, now we've got brand new LEDs all the way around. It actually matches the third brake light, the reverse light, the license plate lights, and the reverse lights on the tail light. So 6000K white is what we used on these. Cool, easy. I mean, while doing this video, this probably took me 20 minutes to do both. And I'll do a link in the bio one more time with the parts I used. Bulb size for license plate lights were 194. Bulb size for the reverse lights were 921s, which is typically the same with all the Silverados, so they didn't change that. Super easy to do, and honestly the truck looks way better. And Be sure to check out my exhaust video, by the way. FlowPro just messaged me because they said with my video they couldn't keep their exhaust tips in stock.
Sorry,
so,
I missed that. Could you say it again, please?
Don't mind that. Yeah, no, FlowPro just messaged me and said they couldn't keep their exhaust tips in stock because of the last video. So I appreciate you guys and your support. So go check out that video. That one's probably about a 30-minute install after you get the parts. And yeah, I'll keep doing what I'm doing. Drop a comment below if you like, these videos I'm making, because I'm literally just doing it for fun. So if you guys like them, drop a comment, tell your friends, and I'll just keep modifying this thing as I can. I'll sign off. See you guys on the next video.